Good morning. I've just made some new bookmark designs. So I've got like this avocado set I'm going to do. So you've got this one, it's going to be like 4 bookmarks and then another 4. And then I've got the avocado on toast and then the girl with the avocado and the mask, face mask. Good morning everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you liked my last video. If you didn't see it, I talked all about how to find your art style. So I'll leave a link below this video or I'll put it up here if you haven't seen it and you want to watch it after this one. But yeah, today is Monday the 26th of September. As you would have seen the clips from a few days back actually, I made some new bookmarks for my shop. So I had to reprint them again actually because like the patterned one was a little bit off, like cut off a little bit funny, so I had to do that again. And I also repositioned the toast ones a little bit smaller. Oh, and also I added a different logo on the back because I realised the other one was like my old picture. This is more of an updated one. But anyway, you can get these as a pack of 3 in my shop. It's for all avocado lovers. So I realised they had these illustrations already in Procreate. And I thought they go quite well as a set because you've got like the pattern, the girl, and then toast. So yeah, I'm really excited. If you want to get these, there's a sale in my shop until the end of... You're not gonna... Yeah, it's gonna be too late for you now because that sale's ended on the end of September, so but it's alright, there'll be another sale at some point. It's now Thursday. Just excuse my hair, this bit is really sticking out, but I've just been filling out a little bit of October in my bullet journal. If you followed my other channel before it got deleted, I was sharing a few bullet journal spreads on that one. And so just to let you know, if you were following along, I have been keeping up with my bullet journal every month. It's been really handy. I've actually enjoyed it. Having everything like in one place as well, like refer back to goals, and I had a budget tracker which I really loved. So yeah, it's been really good. It's only this month going forward for October though that I've only just started using Google Calendar now, and I find it really handy that I didn't even fill in my weekly spread for this month. And so I've decided that in October I'm just going to keep all my kind of weekly to do and like weekly plan on Google Calendar because it's just so easy for me on there. And then in the bullet journal I'm just going to keep it to like a monthly layout and put the little important dates like when rent is, and also like a goals page, my budget tracker, and then a review page for the end of the month because I loved reviewing like my favourites of the month, highlights. By the way, if you're wondering, I really love this bullet journal. It's got this really cute design on the front. It's from Primrosia, I mean. It's a bit faded. Anyway, I found this on Amazon. So the pages are quite thick, and it's all like dotted and everything. But yeah, I really like it. So little Cookie's just come in here. Come here. Oh, little Cookie's just come into the office. Look how fluffy he is. So cute. I tried to give him a bit of a haircut myself, but he's very fidgety. It's really hard, so if you think he looks a bit weird, that's why. But I'm going to start planning some Christmas products for my shop. I want to make like a new sticker sheet. Also, there's a drawing I want to finish, which I'll show you quickly. Oh, let's get my iPad up. I really like how this one came out. And I might add some, I don't know if I'm going to add like butterflies or something coming through her hair, like because it's all flowing. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm going to try and work on that today and finish that. So hope you've enjoyed. Oh, you're tired. Hope you've enjoyed watching this vlog today. Thank you, by the way, for subscribing to my channel if you're new here, because I've had a few new subscribers. I've just gone past 100 subscribers, so that's like a little milestone, I guess. 100. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy following along my videos. I'm thinking of doing another video on sharing my essentials for like starting an Etsy shop and like being on a budget, like what I would recommend you would need to start. So let me know if you'd like to see that. If you don't, then I'll probably just do it still anyway. I'm out of breath. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this, definitely consider subscribing if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in another video. You can check out all my links below. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Oh, so cute.